day, sir. Good day, madam. I will introduce myself. My name is Miftahur Rahmah. I'm 28 years old. I'm married. I have 2 children. I'm Muslim. My last education is senior high school. I come from Kediri, East Java. I have no brother and sister. In the training center, I learn general housework, how to use household electronics, how to care for baby and old people. I also learn how to cook Chinese food, like steamed fish, fried veggies, like noodles, make porridge, and make soup. Madam answered, I can cook pork, but I don't eat pork. I'm not afraid of dog. I have experience working in Singapore. My job was to take care of old people. I took care of grandma. I have to give bath and give medicine. I also have to cook for the family, go to the market, do household jobs and wash car. Dear sir and madam, I promise to be initiative, be honest and work hard for you. I need to work in Hong Kong because I have to earn money to support my family in Indonesia. Thank you sir, thank you madam. I will see you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.